Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about how to stop your voice from cracking. You all know what cracking is, right? It's when you try to go for a high note, and you go into this yodel. And you don't want that, right? You want your voice to be smooth and keep the same tone. So here's how you can do it. The reason your voice cracks is because it's out of balance. And the things that you need to learn to balance are your breath support and your vocal cord closure in order for the cracks to be gone. So what can we do to actually be able to connect our voice and stop the cracks? And have a voice that is connected and the tone stays consistent. As you might know already, as you go higher in pitch, you need less and less and less air. And so what we need to do is we need to focus on that a little bit more. But it doesn't work without focusing on our vocal cords as well. So what I want you to try is as you go higher, limit the amount of air that you blow out and also focus on closing your vocal cords firmly. So we are going to use an exercise to try to make it as comfortable for you as possible. The exercise will be a simple mum mum mum. Mum 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 mum. Mum 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 mum. And what I want you to do is focus on really using a minuscule amount of air. Just enough to get the sound and nothing more. So you don't want to go mum 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 mum. You don't want to go mum 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 and being too aggressive with it. You want to do it in a way that's just the right amount, just enough. Mum 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 mum. Mum 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 mum. Very efficient. And the second thing that you want to do is you want to focus on the M to really create a lot of vocal cord closure. You want your vocal cords to be close together. So the sound should be like mum 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 mum. Mum 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 mum. You really want to crank the vocal cord closure and limit the amount of air that's coming out. So if we put that on a little scale, mum 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 mum. What you're gonna find is that you can actually keep your voice solid and keep your voice connected while doing that. If you go too breathy, mum 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 mum, you're gonna flip into falsetto. If you go too loud, it's gonna be uncontrollable, mum 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 mum, and you're going to go into this yelling type of pulling chest voice sound. We don't want that. So you want to be very efficient with the sound. Mum 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 mum. Mum 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 mum. Keep the sound solid and strong, but not too loud and yet very firm. Once you get a bit more comfortable with that, you can ditch the mum exercise and just go for a straight vowel. And find that your tone is now a lot more stable, that your voice doesn't crack anymore because you have the voice balanced out. And remember, just like with any singing exercise, just like with any technique, you want to monitor yourself for strain. So especially here under the chin, you want to make sure that nothing is pushing against your thumb, that everything stays relaxed here. This is very crucial. Remember that always. Now here is a great trick for singing high notes, so definitely check this video out. I'll see you in the next one.